Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the basics that actually affect sound. Set your audio interface, pick 64-128 samples for the buffer, and create a template so you don't rebuild the same session. Once done, arm a track and verify input routing. This avoids signal loss and wasted takes. Make sure low latency mode is on for latency-sensitive playing, and tweak the metronome and count-in. This step gets you straight into performance, not configuration, so you capture ideas cleanly. Now you move into capturing and shaping takes. Record multiple passes, then use quick swipe comping to build the best performance without destructive edits. After comping, apply flex time or smart tempo to tighten groove across audio and samples. This preserves feel while fixing flaws. Organize by color coding and grouping tracks, then route similar elements to aux buses for parallel processing. Save frequently used channel strip chains as presets, so you reproduce mixes quickly across projects. Finish by establishing a clear mix. Set rough levels using a reference track so your balance translates. Apply subtractive EQ to create space before adding compression or saturation. Once the mix sits, automate sends, panning, and plug in parameters to build movement and clarity. Make sure to print automation if you freeze tracks later. Finally, export stems for mastering, check the mix in mono to catch phase issues, and save a project alternative copy as a rollback if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.